here, back for another video, back to show you some cool stuff. This is gonna be like really quick, and then I got a really big thing that I want to show you. You probably saw it in the thumbnail already. Sorry. So last week, Nintendo sent this, but it wasn't just this. This was Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze. It's a nice barrel. It had confetti in it and bananas, as you can see here. So they sent me bananas. I was like, I'm gonna go bananas over this. And basically it was for National Banana Day and just promoting the game that's coming out May 4th. So I just wanted to show, this is like a really cool, got some random shirts in the mail that I said, you know what, let's just do these all together. I didn't order these, you know, sometimes my address is for businesses only. It's on my YouTube, so sometimes they just send things. This is from another universe, and I think it's Wolverine. Let's see, you see it before me, because yep, that is Wolverine, and I forgot his name, Beast guy? This is Spider-Man, so let's just take a look real quick. Oh, wow. So here's you know what, like the design looks great. It feels really cheap. It's like $40-some. I don't know. But like, again, yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's that same US XL. I can't get in this yet, but if I keep going, it's coming soon. I'm doing great. So these are gamer kind of geek shirts. They're more like a geek company. But yeah, they use Gildan t-shirts, and this is, oh, okay, I was gonna say Storm. All right, so, it's been since the 90s. I don't watch many X-Men. I know she's like the Phoenix Bird rising. You have to put it and tell me, Lamarr, how could you not remember? I'm old, okay? Like, I just forgot. But anyway, the one, you know which one. The one, Jean Grey. I got it. Okay, I was gonna look it up and I didn't. So, Jean Grey. Last one, and then we can get to the big thing. Oh, Green Lantern. Oh, and I like this color. Man, they know my size. I think I can fit this. Soon it's gonna be really loose. It's like these shirts. This is like, I feel like this is looser. My shorts are loose. I'm sorry. I'm really happy. My shorts are looser. I have to like tighten them up now. So anyway, I had to get new underwear too. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so I haven't opened this, but this is a video, by the way. It's in partnership with Lego. And they, this is part one. There's gonna be another one either later this week or next week with Lego. And they wanted me to showcase a couple of their Lego sets. So today's gonna be Disney Tron Legacy. So Lego, thank you for partnering me with this video. I have not even opened this, and they wanted it to kind of be like a surprise thing. So this is I don't know what it just says, Disney Tron Legacy. Here's the box. I don't know if it retails like this, but this, again, I'm gonna learn. Sorry. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay, hold on. I gotta show you all this. When you holy crap! When you open it, like so you can't. Yeah, but as soon as I open it, it lit up. Look at that, just like Tron. Holy crap! Look at the lights. Wow, that was awesome. What did they say? Hey Lamarr, we hope you enjoyed this truly custom and exclusive Lego Tron Legacy Light Cycle box that includes the new Lego Ideas Tron Legacy Light Cycle set. We can't wait to see you show this off awesome box and your completed builds. Why you gotta say completed build? So I gotta build this? Okay, fine, I'll build it. All right, so this is Disney Tron Legacy. As you can see there, what is this? This is for ages 10 plus. I'm gonna need an adult for this one, I just know it. Part number 21314, as you can see there. If this is in the store, I'll make sure there's a link below. 230 pieces, huh? Woo, this is from the Lego Idea Set, number 21. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and build this, and I'm just kidding. No, let's do it. Cause it's Lego, and you can do what you want. Okay, there we go. Time for bag two. Oh, okay, and then you slide it. No, I knew that was gonna happen. All right, guys, so I'm finished finally. Okay, so here's the scenario for the first one, where it shows them with their little disc, and they're fighting or they're playing or whatever you want them to do. But like, that's the first setup. Looks really cool. And here you see the completed bikes. Man, they were intricate, but I'll tell you, they were really fun to make. Just look how cool they are. Got the little flags in the back. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. All right, guys, so that's going to do it. Lego, thanks for partnering me with this. This is, again, the Disney Tron Legacy Lego series, ages 10 and up. This is part of the Lego Ideas series. I will put links below for you to check it out. It was actually like it was actually kind of fun to make. Like I thought it was gonna be tedious, but then I was finding the parts like really fast, and there was a couple times, you know, let's just say I put it, it kind of exploded, and I put it back. But anyway, it was fun. I wanted to give you some of the building experience, but it would have been like a 20-30 minute video if I did everything. So again, Lego, this was fun. We got another one coming up with another Lego series, hopefully in the next week. So look for that video. Lego's partnering with that one as well. And this was fun. Again, I'm going to do another one, but if you like to see more Lego stuff in this channel, please let me know. Lego, thank you again. You all are great. Links will be below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed all the stuff we showcased today. If you see anything you like, again, links will be available below. But especially, check out this is cool. This is really cool. I'm gonna definitely probably put this up back there or somewhere. Like, it's gonna stay just like this. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I can't even speak. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, Lego. Appreciate you. Bye. Ow.